Quick peek, from stock E30 to a sharpened classic. Here's the plan. Today's upgrades: engine breathing, suspension tuning, and a clean, refreshed interior. Tools and parts: Torque wrench, coilovers, intake, gaskets. Always use quality and specs. Engine first. Intake off, headers on, fresh gaskets, torque to spec, timing checked. Time-lapse reassembly for pace. Double check sensors, fluids, belts, and leaks. Suspension. Swap struts, bushings, and set ride height. Measure, then torque evenly. Interior refresh. New wheel. Seat repairs. Shifter boot. Deep clean for factory feel. Startup. Listen for smooth idle. Test drive. Note throttle response and